Hi, Dr. Stephen Gundry here. You may have heard people in the health world talking about something called leaky gut. It's a very hot topic right now, but there seems to be some confusion about what it is. So let me clear things up right now by showing you exactly what leaky gut is, how it happens, and how to prevent it. You see, when you eat food, it goes down to your stomach to get broken down. This process unlocks the nutrients in the food. And then the broken down food travels to your gut, where the unlocked nutrients gets absorbed through the intestinal wall. But there's other stuff in the food that shouldn't get absorbed, such as pathogens, contaminants, and other bad stuff you don't want in your body. This is where your gut lining comes in. Also known as your intestinal epithelium, this lining acts as a filter, letting good stuff through and keeping bad stuff out. But when your gut lining gets weak, which happens on many modern diets, little holes start forming in the lining and bad stuff gets through. Kind of like this. Here's the lining of your gut. And there's leaky gut. So this is actually what's happening in your gut. And this condition is called leaky gut for a very good reason. Now, the stuff that makes it through these holes triggers a cascade of unhealthy immune activity in your body. The result is serious damage to your health on all fronts. Digestive trouble, heart problems, faster aging, weight gain, you name it. Countless health conditions can be traced back to leaky gut. So how do you prevent it? Well, what modern diets are often missing is a special kind of fiber known as prebiotic fiber. Dietary sources of prebiotic fiber include Jerusalem artichokes, tiger nuts, Belgian endive, chicory, parsnips, and a lot of others. So when you eat prebiotic fiber, it goes down to your gut and helps your microbiome protect your gut lining and control what your body absorbs. So this is a blend of prebiotic fibers that my company Gundry MD makes. It's called PrebioThrive. Let's see what it does inside your gut. So I'm going to take PrebioThrive and I'm going to put it on the lining of your gut. Okay, now that the gut has prebiotic fiber, let's do the leak test again. And again, this is real PrebioThrive. Here comes. Oh my gosh, look at that. Absolutely no leak. The truth is, prebiotic fiber does more than just plug the holes. It feeds friendly bacteria in your gut, your microbiome. These bacteria then use the fiber to make butyrate, which nourishes and strengthens your gut lining. Strong gut lining means no more leaky gut. This means better digestion, better health, and a longer, happier life. So, make sure you get your prebiotic fiber every day and say goodbye to leaky gut. This is Dr. Gundry, and I'm always looking out for you. We'll see you next time, and thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Click the circular channel icon to subscribe and make sure you don't miss a single video. Click on the left to watch another great video. And don't forget to visit my website for more of my best tips, because I'm Dr. Gundry and I'm always looking out for you.